Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2011 GMC 2500HD. This is a crew cab, short bed, Denali truck. It's got the Duramax Diesel, Allison automatic. This truck is very, very clean. It's been very well taken care of, only has 90,000 miles. Factory rear park assist, tow package, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, power sliding rear window. This truck is fully loaded, has every option you can get on it. Navigation, sunroof, rear DVD, factory 20s. It has amp power fold down running boards, tow mirrors, cab lights. I mean, it has everything you could want. And it's super, super clean. It's a one-owner truck, again with only 90,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. The Denali trucks do come loaded, so this truck does have all your power options. You've got heated seats, air conditioning seats, memory driver's seat. Of course, it's all black perforated leather, power seats on both sides. The seats are in beautiful shape. Rear DVD player, factory sunroof, factory trailer brake controller, four-wheel drive switch. There's your tilt wheel. You've got a heated steering wheel over here on the left side with your cruise. On the right side, you've got all your audio and voice controls. Leather and wood grain steering wheel. 90,470 miles. Navigation, automatic dual zone climate control, adjustable pedals, rear park assist, traction control, factory exhaust brake. You've got all the nice wood accents here in the truck. Headphones, controller for the rear DVD player. You've got a 12-volt outlet, a USB input. Up here in your overhead, you've got Home Link, that's built-in garage door openers. There's your sunroof controls. There's your power sliding rear window control. All the door panels are in beautiful shape. Rear seats are excellent. The rear seats lift up. You have almost a completely flat floor here in the rear. You've got rear radio controls. You've got audio video inputs here for the kids, so if they have a Xbox, PlayStation, anything they want to bring along. Factory Panasonic DVD player. There's another look at your dash. Headliner's in beautiful shape. All the carpet's in great shape. Again, the passenger seat looks perfect. The dash is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.6 liter LML Duramax Diesel. Does have the stock air box, but the truck has been tuned. It runs out absolutely perfect. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions or like to purchase this truck, you can call me directly at 614-563-9999. I do have financing, I take trades, and I have nationwide shipping available. Thank you.